Hi, my name's Xtine. I'm a food writer, and today I looked at TikTok. I was curious, I was wondering, what are the people making? And it came to my attention that everyone is making roasted garlic and Parmesan chicken.
For some roasted garlic and Parmesan
Roasted garlic parm chicken wings.
Let's make some Parmesan garlic chicken.
If you're looking for a simple recipe to massively upgrade your chicken,
I don't know if this is an old trend, a new trend, or an ongoing trend. I'm not well versed in TikTok and I don't understand the culture. Honestly, it scares me a little bit, but it was everywhere. And I want to know what all the hype is about. I want in on the fun. However, I am a vegetarian, so I'm going to make a vegetarian version of roasted garlic and Parmesan chicken. That's what this video is. Bracing for the hate comments. I'm going to use cauliflower and chickpeas as the protein, the base, the chicken substitute in this recipe. I'm going to base this recipe off of one video that I kept seeing pop up. It seemed like somebody posted it, lots of people reposted it. I'm ready to have some fun.
And you guys have got to try it. I was shocked by how freaking amazing it was. Start by marinating your chicken with olive oil.
Okay, since the first thing we need to do is marinate our chicken, I'm going to start by prepping my chicken substitute, this beautiful head of cauliflower. I thought cauliflower would be a great vegetable to try this recipe with because it basically just takes on the flavor of whatever you season it with. So this will give me a true sense of just how exciting the roasted garlic and Parmesan chicken really is. I too hope to be shocked by how freaking amazing it is. I would love to feel that level of excitement. Make me feel something. Recipe. I'm just going to be breaking this up into bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to dump the cauliflower into my roasting pan with the chickpeas. I'm using one 29-ounce can of chickpeas, one of the big boy cans. I drained and rinsed them too. Now for the olive oil, I'm using a couple tablespoons, and then she adds lemon juice and lemon zest. I went hard with both. Here I am squeezing even more lemon juice in there. Okay, quick note. No shade, but she uses the dry powdery parm here, and I don't have that. I'm not gonna use it. I'm going to use fresh grated parm later on. There will still be plenty of Parmesan flavor. I just don't want my Parmesan to burn in the oven. Next, we're adding salt and pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and then she adds lemon pepper, which I skipped, and Italian seasoning. For the Italian seasoning, I'm just going to use some oregano and basil. And in case you haven't noticed, we're eyeballing every single thing in this recipe. And now harissa, because she's obsessed.
Harissa because I'm obsessed, and fresh parsley.
Let me just quickly chop up some fresh parsley. Now seems like as good a time as any to preheat the oven. I'm going to give this a good stir to make sure everything is at least mostly evenly coated. Now it's time to prep our garlic head.
Slice the top off a garlic head.
Okay, and now we need aluminum foil. Coat with olive oil, salt, pepper, chili flakes, and
Italian seasoning.
so that means more oregano and basil. Okay, I'm going to wrap her up. Cute. The marinated cauliflower and chickpeas are gonna bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And so is the roasted garlic. For the sauce, I guess I'm chopping up more fresh parsley. While we wait, I'm also going to shred my Parmesan, so that's ready to go. I am literally getting an arm workout. That looks pretty good. Okay, after 30 minutes, the cauliflower is not done, but that's fine. I thought that might happen. I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for at least another 25 minutes. But in the meantime, it's time to make the sauce.
400 for 30 minutes. Next, make your sauce with some olive oil, parsley, parm, light mayo, the roasted garlic, and cooked chicken juice from the pan.
Okay, she put lemon juice in there and didn't say a word about it. And for the cooked chicken juice from the pan, I think I'll just use a little bit of vegan chicken broth. So I'm starting with roughly a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice in there. Add the fresh parsley that I just chopped up. Again, no shade, but I'm excited to be using fresh grated Parmesan because I want it to get all melty and delicious when I put it on the hot cauliflower and chickpeas. I'm going to use vegan mayo because it's what I have in my fridge. Do a couple heaping tablespoons of this. Roasted garlic reveal. It is hot, so I'm just going to hold it with a paper towel. When you wanted it to be aesthetically pleasing, but it's literally too hot to hold on to. Okay, well, there we go. The roasted garlic made it in there one way or another. And here's 1/2 cup of vegan chicken broth. Let's stir this with a fork to combine and get all these ingredients acquainted. I'm going to try to really break down those roasted garlic cloves. And after baking for 55 minutes at 400 degrees, the cauliflower and chickpeas are done. The roasted cauliflower and chickpeas look great. I'm super happy with it. I love that the chickpeas have these little crispy bits. That's gonna be really delicious. And the cauliflower has nice golden brown edges.
Just brush the sauce all over the cooked chicken.
Okay, so I know she brushed on her sauce, but I think I'm just gonna pour mine over the roasted cauliflower and chickpeas and give it a toss to evenly coat everything. I think because mine's a little wetter, that's the move. I was worried at first that my sauce was too wet, but I'm actually really happy with how it came out. And I can't wait to try this. It's definitely good. This is delicious. The cauliflower really soaks up all the flavor of the sauce. The Parmesan did get a little melty. The lemon juice on there is doing the most. Don't skip the lemon juice.